it's Crystal, and I am here today with an unboxing of my May Hip Kit Club kits. This is super late because I've been traveling. So I've been out on a little adventure, traveling with some family members for a couple weeks, and I just got back and I'm ready to unbox this. So I have to be honest, it was dark when I got home and I had to flip through it because I just couldn't wait to take a look at what was inside. So I've already looked at this, but I wanted to share it with you just in case you hadn't already seen another unboxing or hadn't seen these products already. So if you have already seen it and don't want to see it, just skip this video. And if not, then we're going to go through all the goodies that are in these kits. So this is the May main kit. Let's start with the papers. Set these aside. So first up, we get paper number 8 from Horizon by Pink Paisley and Paige Evans. Here is the back side. Hopefully you can see both of these. There. Next up is paper number 14, also from Horizon by Pink Paisley and Paige Evans. That gorgeous purple on the back. Next up is Selfie from All Heart by Crate Paper. I love these little kind of Polaroid style pictures. And then this is the back side, and I love this so much. I may have to actually use this as a background because it is just too cute. I don't want to cut into it. I love that. It's so simple, but so cute. Next up is paper number 15 from Horizon by Pink Paisley and Paige Evans. I love these rainbow plus signs, and then this gorgeous orange on the back. Then we have Being Us from Joyful Day by Pink Fresh Studio. And that is just beautiful. I love this paper. Next up is Stardust from All Heart by Crate Paper. Adorable little stars. And then these little heart speech bubbles in pink on the back. Next is Seek Magic from It's All Good by Dear Lizzie. These little hashtags are super cute. And then the strawberries on the back. This is Be You from All Heart by Crate Paper. This stripe is just gorgeous. I love these colors so much. And these are the colors that are throughout the kit. I'm so excited to play with them. On the back is this adorable rainbow print. Also super excited to use that. This is Just Right from Joyful Day by Pink Fresh Studio. And this really beautiful blue color on the back. It's like a super dark teal. This is Wallflower from All Heart by Crate Paper. A gorgeous floral. And then a perfect black and white polka dot on the back. So those are the papers. Let's take a look at the embellishments. So we get an exclusive Puffy Alpha. This is from Chasing Rainbows, designed by Kimberly Hutchinson. It's this beautiful blue Puffy Alpha on the front, and then you also get a slightly smaller pink Alpha on the back. That is perfect. We also get, these are Dreamer thickers. These are from what is it called? How did I forget it? All Heart. Oh my goodness, my brain this morning. This is from All Heart by Crate Paper. They are puffy, kind of flexible puffy phrases and icons. Then also from Chasing Rainbows by Kimberly Hutchinson, we get this die cut ephemera pack. And here is a look at everything that is inside. There is an adorable rainbow and some kind of beach bags and sunglasses, a little radio that is too cute, a little kitty planner, a little wreath, and some phrases and speech bubbles and coffee cups. I love this. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's perfect. We also get the frames from All Heart. These are puffy frames, so let's open it up and take a look. I think they have like a film inside, so they're not like empty, if that makes sense. Probably doesn't make sense, but yeah, so they're like on a acetate sheet, so it's not like just the frame, unless they're adhesive. Does that come off? That maybe comes off and I'm just crazy. Yeah, but so they are. It's just an adhesive back. So that is what those look like. All right. And then, oh my goodness, these fabric bows. These are like little DIY dimensional bow pieces in these gorgeous fabrics. They are beautiful. These are also designed by Kimberly Hutchinson and are exclusive to Hip Kit Club. Love these. And that little polka dot will match that one so well. And that blue is the same as the blue. Oh, these are perfect. Okay, so that is the May main kit. Next up, we have the embellishment kit for May. Let's start with this chipboard. So this is the chipboard embellishments from All Heart, from the All Heart collection by Crate Paper. And these are so, so cute. Can you see all of them? That little coffee cup, the little peace sign. These are adorable. I love these. And there's some glitter, if you can see that that's like a glitter, but it's like it's printed. It doesn't come off. Oh my goodness. Okay, that collection is just so much fun. Super excited to play with it. We also get a set of thickers. This is Chill. I think this is also from that same collection from All Heart. It looks a lot like that, so I'm gonna guess that it probably is. Those are pink foam thickers. We also get the All Heart stickers. These are sticker sheets. So there are several sheets here. I think these are clear. They look like they're all on clear sticker paper. Those florals are so much fun. We also get the All Heart tassels with this like iridescent metallic kind of print on the bottom. Those are super cute, and they look like they're paper. Yeah, they're paper. Also from Chasing Rainbows by Kimberly Hutchinson are these die-cut butterflies. These are acetate butterflies. You can see how adorable they are. Look at the print on some of these. That is super, super cute. Those are going to be fun to play with. And then we also get some sequins to coordinate with the kit. So I'm just going to dump out a few here so you can see how beautiful those are. There. Okay, so that is the embellishment kit. Next up is the Pocket Life kit for May. As I said, I already opened these up, so we can flip through these first. Let's start with the 4x6 cards. Again, these are single-sided cards, so you don't have to decide which side to use. You get to use them all. So this one says The Best Time Together. Love this so much. There's a little hex print in this beautiful kind of robin's egg blue color. Weekend Vibes May. There's your title card for the month. A super light, like buttery yellow polka dot, and then this gorgeous stripe with a little spot for your date. 3x4 cards, because it is the May kit and Mother's Day. Best Mom Ever is a perfect card for this month. A little kind of periwinkle blue plus sign print, a gorgeous floral wreath, a green stripe, an orange card that says The Little Things. I love the orange in this kit. Kind of not an orange fan usually, but I'm really drawn to all the oranges in this kit. This really pretty pink, I think multi-toned card. A multicolor polka dot. You Are So Precious, and a little diamond. Having Fun Together, again in that beautiful purple. This beautiful floral. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Another floral wreath, that same kind of stripe that's in the All Heart collection. Love that. A little journaling card. This one's fun. It's like a navy blue with kind of a painted circle on it. And the same thing in purple and a rectangle. I love this one too. That is really pretty. The multi-toned kind of teal color. Another rainbow, also perfect. And then an ampersand. So those are the cards in this kit. We also get these glitter hearts from All Heart, and they're hard. They're like epoxy, and I'm sure they're adhesive as well. Sorry about the crinkling, but I want to take them out and so you can get a better look at them. So they are like a hard kind of epoxy, and then they're adhesive on the back. So very dimensional. It might, I'm thinking I will likely put them on top of my pockets, not inside, because that much dimension in a pocket would probably distort it a little bit. But they're adorable, and I love the glitter. It just looks like solid glitter. Okay, sorry. There. Okay, so we also get the sticker sheets from Oh Happy Day by Simple Stories. There are 8 sheets in here. So again, I apologize for the crinkling, but I want to take them out so you can see them. Okay, so these are individual sheets of stickers, and you get 8 of them. So there are these little phrases. There are some tiny phrase stickers. There are these square ones, which are super fun. Some llamas and cameras and cacti. And then these that look like the little boards, the little letter boards. And then some labels as well. And some more of those square ones that are super fun. So that's what you get in that one. I'll put that back in the package later. We also get a stamp this month. I'm super excited about the stamp. So this is the All Heart stamp by Crepe Paper. It says, "You are beautiful, smile, see good in all things, cute, fun, and nope." And then all these adorable little icons. That one's super fun. We get another set of alphas. These are bright lights. They are a foam alpha with an iridescent print in the middle of each letter. If you can see that. There's lots of numbers too, always perfect for pocket pages. And then finally, the All Heart 6x12 sticker sheet. This is 2-sided, so there's the front and the back. There's even these word strips here. Love that. Very cute. Okay, so this is the embellishment kit. Next up, let's look at the paper kits. So the paper kit this month is slightly different than the papers that come in the main kit. These, of course, are all the same, but then there are these 2 additional ones. This is from Dear Lizzie. It's a foil accent on vellum. So it's got this gorgeous floral print in gold on vellum. It's in a package, so it's maybe a little bit hard to see, but it is absolutely gorgeous. And this is from It's All Good. And then also from It's All Good, we get this paper that's called Peachy Keen. It has these peaches on the front, and then the back is this navy gingham that is super pretty. I love this. So those are the 2 papers that are different in the paper kit. Let's take a look at the cardstock that comes in the cardstock kit. So as always, we get 2 sheets of each color. The first one is called Coral Cream. This is a basil textured cardstock. Look how well that matches. That is gorgeous. Next up is Wisteria, also basil textured. This is Star Mist, beautiful blue color. Also, again, basil and textured. This one feels like it's slightly thicker, unless yeah, I think this one is slightly different. It feels a little thicker than the others. Then we also get Pollen, this gorgeous yellow color, also again basil and textured. And then Pinkini, that's adorable. The super light pink color, love that. And then of course, also some basil white textured. This is Avalanche. So look at how well those coordinate. Those are gonna be so much fun to play with. Finally, we have the color kit from May, and this one has these gorgeous magical shakers from Lindy's Stamp Gang. We get 3 of them, and I think the colors are on here somewhere. Oh, this is Yodeling Yellow, Alpine Ice Rose, and Afternoon Delight Denim. That dark blue. I'm so excited to play with that. You've probably heard me say it before, but right now navy blue is my favorite color, so that's going to be fun. And this bright yellow is also going to be fun. I want to see what we can do mixing them too, so that is going to be lots of fun to play with. And then we also get a stencil. This is from Echo Park, from the Best Summer Ever collection. It's this really kind of painterly, it's like you painted stripes and then created a stencil out of it. I'm not sure how else to describe it. Kind of like a rough stripe stencil. So that'll be great on backgrounds. It's a 6x6 stencil. So a great size for all projects. So that is the color kit. So those are the kits for May. If you haven't already picked up some for yourself, all of the items here will be linked down below. You can just follow those links and pick up the kits for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you. And I will see you all back here soon.